Heather from Demoda Boutique. I got a 10-piece designer box from ThredUp, and I just opened the box. I have not looked in it, but there's some pretties peeking out. So it's 10 pieces for $100. And that's it. So this is a premium DIY box. So this is a pretty big box for 10 items. So I'm a little excited about it. Ooh, that's pretty. So I'm gonna pull out this colorful thing first. This is Carolina K. Printed maxi dress. I don't think I've ever seen this brand, so I'll have to do some research. And this should have something wrong with it. I'm not seeing a size tag. Oh no, it's a large. It has all the buttons, so maybe there's a stain somewhere, but I will do more digging on all of this stuff later. But initially, that's pretty neat. And then I'm going to pull out this second thing. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Marquesa Note 16. There's the tag. And it's this beautiful star print, like tulle midi dress. These are fun. Slate and Willow, size small puffer jacket. Honestly might keep this because my puffer jacket just not as puffy as it was and need it here in Pennsylvania. Ooh, what is this? Cynthia Rowley. So this I wouldn't consider premium, but it's this pink floral top. I think this is like viscose. Yep, 100% viscose. So, not silk. Splendid. Little striped shirt. And again, I'm not really seeing anything wrong. No staining, maybe some like pilling wear. And I only got one of these boxes. Style Stalker? I feel like I've heard of this one before. It is a jumpsuit. With this deep V, which this is missing its hook for the little closure in the front. That's not a big deal. And then I have, I think they were just cleaning out their gowns. Monique Lillier. I can't say that. I am awful at French. Okay. But it's this purple gown, which is incredible. So it seems like they were just cleaning out of their like large stuff. Let's see what you are. Sailor. So Sailor's decent. It is, oh, they have the tie backwards. Okay. So it's a tie front top. It's this mini dress. That's cute. And then we have Trina Turk with that cuff detail, like a silk pant. The elastic's a little bit messed up, but honestly, that's not that big of a deal. These are polyester. And then our last thing here, let's see, Rachel Roy. So that's okay. I wouldn't necessarily call this designer either, but it's this animal print with the high neck. Little mini dress. So how many pieces did we get? Should be 10, so it's about $10 an item because it's free shipping. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now that I did the unboxing, I am gonna do a little, sorry, I thought this was a hole in it. I'm gonna do some comps, and I'm gonna get some pictures up, stock photos, so that way we can see what they look like, and just see if there are any flaws and kind of go over it in more detail. And then let's see how much we think we made off of this one. All right, be back in a flash. Okay, so I went through and I looked everything up and I comped it, and then I did some math. So please correct me if my math is wrong, because you know how that goes. So the Marrakesh Note Star Tulle Dress MSRP'd for $6.95. I could not find anything wrong with it. There's only one other one listed, and I think it'll go for around $150. It is a plus size and it's gorgeous. So really it has a lot going for it. So I went a little bit higher than the other one listed. And then Carolina K, that is that maxi dress. That was the Nia Frutis dress. I did notice when I was going through it that there are some issues with the hemlines where there's holes. I think it's going to be an easy fix, so I'm going to try to fix it. And if I can get that fixed, it can resell for $150. MSRP was $442. The Style Stalker jumper, I didn't find anything on. However, other ones like it were $50. That Splendid sweater was the Duke sweater. There is like a sticky thing inside. I think if I heat it up, it'll come right out. So that I put down for a generous $50. I mean, it is a cashmere sweater and it is a good style, which is why I went with that. But honestly, I probably won't get that. And then the Monique Lelier was center stage gown. Original retail for $8.80. And it does have this hole in it, which I'm just now noticing. Here, let's see. It's like knotted up, like someone was trying to walk with it and then put a hole in it. This honestly isn't that noticeable. I think it's at the back. And it might be an easy fix if you cared to do it. I'm gonna look at it more because I just noticed that. I had it for $200 because other ones had sold for like $250. There's also an issue with the zipper is tricky. And the Sailor, that one I didn't see anything except the top button had like a little bit of a chewed buttonhole. Just, it's kind of more than it needed to be. Someone was probably needed to size up one and they didn't. But I put 35 on that. I couldn't find any comps or the name of it. The Trina Turk Laguna pant, that retailed for $288 and I have that up for $75. Nothing wrong with it except for that elastic issue. The Rachel Roy Smock leopard print dress. This is a plus size and it retailed for $129. The buttons are pulling away at the neckline a little bit, but I still have it comped for $45. The Slate and Willow coat. I will probably end up just keeping it because the resale on it is not good. Another one sold for $20 and that one does have a rip in it from the zipper. So it's an easy repair, but it's not worth it for the $20 you would get. But it did retail for $150, so I thought that was interesting that it's one of those brands that does not resell well. And then Cynthia Raleigh smocked ruffled top. ThredUp had it as a rare find, even though it was like 15 listed on their website, and also had it that the MSRP was $295. I was generous and said about $20 for that. So if I sold everything for my list price, that would be $805. However, generally I don't make full price sales, as we all don't, and I send out 20% offers with discounted shipping every day on Poshmark and eBay. So what I did was I calculated it like that. Like if I sold it with those discounts minus Posh fees would be $464.80. And I only paid $100 for the box total. So it's $360 profit. That's really good. I'm super pleased with this box. There are some issues, which it's DIY. That's what we're expecting. I thought there would be more actually. So that's pretty comforting because I know you get the rescue shoe boxes and it's just, you get what you get. So yeah, overall, I would get another one. I think I am going to see how these repairs go, because I have not utilized a tailor or anything like that before, but I might just ask my grandmother, which is easier. But yeah, let me know down below. Keep a lookout for these boxes. I know you can get on like the wait list for email updates, but those hardly ever come through by the time they sell out again. So let me know what you thought. Thanks. Bye.